As a student, exam week can honestly feel overwhelming when you're trying to organize your viewers, catch up on lessons, and study everything in such a short amount of time. That's why I've been using Medley Open to make my study routine more organized and efficient by keeping all my materials in one place. Here's exactly how I use it step by step to make studying mathematics more organized and less stressful. Step 1 is to create mathematics course and upload materials. Step 2 is to generate lecture notes. After uploading my file, I created lecture notes that were already organized with formulas, explanations, and examples. What I really like is that I could directly highlight parts inside the PDF and ask the chat for explanation. So if I didn't understand the formula or solution process, I could ask for a simpler explanations or request an example problem. Step 3 is to use visualized summary with mind maps. Mathematics usually has many connected formulas and concepts, so seeing everything visually made studying easier. Whether I saw a formula inside the summary box that confused me, I asked for an explanation immediately. For example, in geometry, I could ask what each variable meant, when to use it, and how it applies in solving problems. This helped me actually understand formulas instead of memorizing them blindly. Step 4 is to create key concept and formula reviewers. Everything became organized into topics, key terms, formulas, and notes. Algebra formulas stay grouped together, geometry concepts stayed in another section, and every topic has its own explanations and examples. Step 5 is to review using flashcards. This really helped with memorization because it tracked whether I was still learning or already confident. I used the front and back flashcards to memorize formulas. For example, the front contains the formula name or the problem type, while the back shows the actual formula, explanations, and sample use. So instead of reviewing everything equally, I could focus more on formulas and lessons I struggled. Step number 6 is to practice with mock exams. One of the most useful features for me was the mock exams. It generated both multiple choice questions and long answer problems, so it actually felt like practicing for a real mathematics exam. What I also like is that whether I got a question wrong, it didn't just give the correct answer but explained why my answer was incorrect, showed the correct process, and helped me understand where I made mistakes. For example, if the lesson was about measures of central tendency, I could get questions asking me to solve for the mean, median, and mode, then type my answers directly like I would during the real exam. And lastly, step number 7 is to track progress with Topic Tracker. I use the Topic Tracker to monitor my progress. It categorized topics into levels like started, need works, getting there, and confident. This made it easier to see which lessons I still needed to focus on before finals instead of guessing whether I was prepared or not. So if your mathematics finals are starting to feel overwhelming, try studying smarter instead of just rereading notes for hours. Organizing your materials, understanding formulas deeply, practicing with mock exams, and tracking your weak areas can make a huge difference during exam season. And if you want a more organized way to study, you can try using Medley Open to make your review sessions more efficient and less stressful. Try Medley now using the link in my description and ace your exams.